What do you want to do today? Build an airplane? Paint a picture? Explore the great outdoors? At the Children's Museum of Denver at Marzico campus, you can do it all. Strap on your helmet in altitude and scramble up a towering 3.5-story climber. Build and launch rockets, race objects along the ceiling, and power a hot air balloon in energy. Head into water to splash around and discover an urban water system. Create a rainstorm and unleash a geyser in this hands-in water lab. The art studio features clay, painting, other mixed media, and a collaborative art project. Create new, exciting recipes with the pros in the teaching kitchen. In Bubbles, discover shimmering, floating, popping science secrets. In the assembly plant, build one-of-a-kind constructions using real tools and recycled materials. Visit My Market to shop local in a kid-sized farmer's market. Learn the laws of motion and kinetics. Sound the fire siren, grab your gear, and help save the day in Fire Station Number 1. Our youngest visitors, newborn through age 3, can explore exhibits made just for them. The Box Canyon, Center for the Young Child, and Village of Healthy Smiles. And don't forget to head out to Joy Park for a year-round outdoor adventure. No matter what you choose to do, there's always something new to discover. Start your adventure today.